Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lentil peas. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of dried lentils, which don't require pre-soaking. Also, prepare 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all finely diced. Have 4 cups of vegetable broth or water on hand, along with salt, pepper, and any herbs you love, like bay leaves or thyme. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious and healthy meal. Now, let's get those lentils ready. Start by rinsing 1 cup of dried lentils under cold water in a fine mesh sieve. This removes any dust or small impurities. While rinsing, quickly pick through them to ensure no tiny stones are present. Next, finely dice your 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Uniform pieces will cook evenly and release their flavors beautifully into your dish. It's time to cook. In a large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add your diced onion, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they soften. Stir in the rinsed lentils and 4 cups of vegetable broth or water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the lentils are tender. Season with salt, pepper, and your chosen herbs. Your delicious lentil peas are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm as a comforting side dish or a satisfying main course. A sprinkle of fresh parsley, a drizzle of good olive oil, or a squeeze of lemon juice can brighten the flavors beautifully. For an extra boost of greens, stir in 1/2 cup of fresh spinach or kale during the last 5 minutes of cooking. Leftovers keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.